Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can tell from the title, we have a book inspired makeup look for you. So this book look, it rhymes, I'm a poet. This book look is inspired by the cover of City of Heavenly Fire by Cassandra Clare, but also I was seeing this look all over Instagram, and it is also inspired by Emma Farrell makeup on Instagram, and she did like this insane fire type look. So this combined with that has inspired me to create this look. Now I will be blocking out some brow in this and other things, so if you want to see me fail at that miserably, then just keep on watching. Got the headband. So because we're blocking the brows, we're going to do that first, and then I'm going to head off camera and do my base, and then be back to continue with the makeup. So if you want to skip me blocking my brows, then just, you know, skip ahead a few minutes. I'm just going to zoom you guys a little bit closer so you can see all of this natural beauty in its full glory. Right, so I'm only going to do this half a brow, I think. So taking the trusty Pritt stick. Other glue sticks are available. Let's do this. So you want to like really rub the glue into your eyebrow, and then you want a spoolie that you don't mind getting damaged, and you just want to brush even all the hair flat against the skin. I think half a brow is definitely going to be 10 times easier than a full brow. Okay, and then once that's dry, we're going to put a little bit of loose powder on. So you don't want too much loose powder, just enough to kind of fill in the gaps there before you put on another layer. You don't want too much. This is just to take some of the texture, some of the gaps away. You may or may not end up getting glue in your hair, because my hairline is ridiculously close to my eyebrows. Alright, this is what we have. Now, because my look isn't purely based on the fact of a good brow block, I'm just going to leave it as is for now. And that is what we have so far. So I am quickly just going to go and do my base, and we will continue on with the rest of this. Alright, base is done. So now it's time to get to the more difficult bit. Firstly, I'm going to start off with two smoky eyes, because that is going to be the base of this situation. So I'm going to go with some smokiness. So to prep for the smoky eye, we're going to go in with the Plouise Badda Black base, and we're going to put that over each eyelid. And then you can start to blend it out. I'm also going to start building the shape. Oh my god, that looks so different. So I'm going to start building that shape slowly. And I've just taken off a lot of the excess from this brush too, so we shouldn't be getting too much colour. Now I'm just going to go in with a standard blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Fade, which is this really kind of grey brown colour from the Stacey Carnival palette, and I'm just going to use that to blend out that black. So I'm just going to keep blending this and, you know, building up that black again until I get the desired outcome. Right, so because this side is going to be the side where the flames are, we're going to do it a little bit more kind of drawn on. So I'm just going to take a kind of a little detailer brush and some more of that base on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to kind of draw out a shape of roughly where I want the flames to like go. And then I'm now going to take that bigger fluffier brush and just kind of stamp so that looks a little bit more messy. Now these types of looks are actually the worst ones for me to do, because they have no structure, and I am one that likes kind of neatness and structure. So we will see how this plans out. And on this side I've packed on some black eyeshadow with this same fluffy brush. So this brush that I'm using to blend out the black also has a mix of eyeshadow on as well. So we have the premise. Now I've left this area blank because we're going to put a bit of orange and yellow as well on there. So how the hell am I meant to do this? No idea. This could either go amazingly well or horribly wrong. I don't have like a yellow base and I can't make a yellow base. So, oh, I've got face paint. 1 minute. I've got my Snazaroo face paint like kit, I think. It was really good. I think it was only about £18 for like all 8 of those, which I thought was really good. And on top of that orange, I'm going to add in the shade Lip. So what I'm going to do now is just go through and build up the orange and the black as I want, and I'll be right back and we can do the yellow. Time for the yellow now, lads. Right, I'm just taking this really small paintbrush. Got a jug of water. You guys all know how face paint works, so I've never even used this yellow before. I can tell it's going to be like neon. That's way too like greeny yellow. We want it a bit more orange. I think I just ruined it. Just mixed it with a little bit of the Plouise base to see if that does anything. Really not convinced this is going anywhere. What do you think? I mean, it looks pretty cool on camera, but it looks pretty gross in real life. Yeah, is that okay? Right, I'm going to stop before it gets too much. And I also want to vamp it up a little bit more, and we're going to go with some metallic base. Again, from Plouise, this is the shade Extra AF. And when I tell you it is, it is. So let's see if we can work some magic with that. What are you saying? My camera's gonna die. Way! Right, I will be right back. I'm just gonna smoke out the lower lashes on both eyes and we'll continue. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Sorry if I've moved, my camera battery died and it's just strained, and I've also got so much makeup on this contact lens. Oh, do you know what? Being a glasses wearer is actually so difficult. As you can tell, we've come a long, long way. Now, time for the lips. I'm just taking a bit of androgyny liquid lipstick and we're going to put a load of Badda Black base with it. I always find that using the bases as a lipstick always works better when you've mixed it with a lipstick itself, because otherwise the base itself is just a bit too, it's not as mixable, if that makes sense. Just gonna leave it like this, so I'm just gonna sort all my hair out and all of that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. As you know, it was inspired by this amazing book, which is the final installment in the Mortal Instruments series by Cassandra Clare. And what do you think? I'm a little bit on the fence. I really pushed myself, and in all honesty I kind of wish I didn't film it, because then at least I could have just done my own thing. And yeah, so anyway, this is the situation. And now I'm going to go take it all off and sit in the sunshine. So don't forget to like and subscribe, all of the good stuff down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I'm going to do that again. Right, all right, all right. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, I forgot my powder. Okie dokie. Just so. Shoo la 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 la, shoo la 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 la.